we are discussing the assignment related to the topic separation of substances. In that question number 1, what is meant by crystallization? What is meant by crystallization? So crystallization is one of the separation technique to separate the dissolved solid substance from liquids. To separate the dissolved solid substance. Dissolved solid substance from liquids like sugar in water, salt in water. Next, question number 2. So what are the advantages of distillation technique? So the advantages of distillation technique are to remove the impurities. To remove the impurities in water. To remove the impurities in water. Next, question number 3. What happens when salt water is heated continuously? If you have heated salt water continuously with the help of Bunsen burner, what happens with thorough stirring with glass rod? With thorough stirring with glass rod, what happens until the total amount of water is evaporated, and finally we get the salt in the form of powdered salt we got. Next, question number 4. How the salt is formed? So the salt formation. So we will get the salt from sea water. So near the coastal areas of the sea, we arranged some pans, layer-like pans like paddy fields. So we allow the sea water into that layers of molds, we call it as pans. So which are exposed to air and sunlight, atmosphere and sunlight being 2 or 3 days. So after the completion of evaporation, the technique, what happens here? Evaporation. So through that evaporation, finally we got salt in the form of solid state. Next, question number 5. How can we get the distilled water? So the preparation of distilled water. So take some impure water in one conical flask. So take some impure water, let it be impure water in conical flask. You heat this impure water with the help of Bunsen burner, and you can tie the mouth of the conical flask with cork having one hole. So I keep that connecting tube in that rubber cork. So another end of the tube you can insert in another conical flask that is also fitted with rubber cork. Another conical flask that is also fitted with rubber cork having one hole. Insert the delivery tube, another end of the delivery tube in that conical flask. So now start heating this conical water in this conical flask. This water is evaporated and that vapors are collected through this delivery tube into this conical flask. So in this conical flask, that water vapors get cooled, so the condensed. So this vapor is converting into liquid state. This process is called condensation. So we'll get the pure water, that is called distilled water, which is free from impurities. This is the process to get the distilled water from impure water. That's all for this assignment. Thank you.